enter into the lesson. From the lesson, I may go little far away. Some of you think that, this is not related to lesson. Joshi sir is making some kind of joke or something. But each and every joke I crack here, you may not laugh, but I laugh in myself. I laugh. In me, I laugh. That is related to that portion. That is what is called connotation. If you don't understand that connotation, the meaning of that explanation, you will not be able to write MCQ or in literature. You are very ready to write any question answers, long answer, 2 marks, 3 marks question, 100 questions you may study by heart and you will write it. But MCQ, it is different. I tell in the class that connotation, the meaning behind the words, that is where the question will be there. What does it mean in this particular portion of the lesson? In this particular portion of the lesson, Peggy may be a good girl. But in the next page, Peggy may not be good. So my explanation will be different in the next page. Vishnu, do you understand? In this page, I may say Vishnupriya is a good girl. Okay. In the next page, I would say Vishnu, very naughty. Very naughty. And I will be giving a question, Nirmala, I may be giving you a question based on the first page. And in the first page, you were sleeping there. When I was talking, Vishnupriya is a very good girl. At that time, Nirupama was sleeping. And she got up at that time. I said that Vishnupriya, such a naughty fellow. And I kept a question based on first page. And Nirupama told, Joshi sir told, I heard it. I heard it. You check the records. Joshi sir told Vishnupriya is a naughty girl. And I don't get the mark. Clear now? Sometimes you see, each and every page, when we take a person, that is why I told you, you should be one person. You should be one person in the story. You walk alone, then only you will be able to understand. Savio, in this lesson, shall we become the scientists? Shall we become? Okay, let us, it is a making of a scientist. So let us, it is a story of a mother and child. So I shall become mother and you shall become the child. Okay, and you will say, sir, I shall become you shall become mother, Joshi sir may become son, scientist. Let us see, be one of the two and come to the point. And so in the last class, we have seen that when Griffin paid the rent by cash, people began to doubt. Where yesterday he told that he didn't have the money. Now how can he pay the money? So the village constable was secretly sent for. Hello? A village police officer, a constable was sent for. Instead of waiting for the constable, Mrs. Hall went to the scientist, who had somehow mysteriously appeared from his empty bedroom. Now we are coming to the climax of the story. So it was a talk in the hotel, and it was reported in the police station. And from there, a police officer was deputed, was sent to investigate, to search, to find out a solution for this case. That means money is lost. Money is lost. Chair is rocking. Many things are there. But Mrs. Hall, a lady, she has some ladies have particular ability to make investigations better than the police officers. There are some ladies who can make investigation without the police. They may reach there and they would ask here and there and they would find out the matter. In this way, Mrs. Hall, the landlady, came to his room. Whose room? Griffin's room. At that time, what happened? Griffin was there in the room with the dress. Griffin was there in the room with the dress, no problem. Even though he has no dress, even though he does not have the dress, no problem, because he is invisible. If he doesn't have the dress, he is invisible. But if he has the dress, he is visible. He is visible. So she asked, I want to know, Mr. Griffin, Mr. Scientist, I want to know you have been doing what you have been doing to my chair upstairs. You may be asking, suppose your upstairs is, first floor is given for rent, on rent. And there are some naughty boys like our Vishnupriya and Nirupama. In the first floor, there are 2-3 naughty boys. They are girls, but naughty boys. Shall we include Melvin also? Melvin? Upstairs, first floor, some naughty boys. And always what these children do, pull the chair, throwing the ball, plastic ball on the floor, jumping and all these things. So in the ground floor, what is there? Always this sound is there. And you are, Ashik Patteri was sitting there and preparing for the exam. Ashik, where are you now? Ashik was sitting there in the evening. At that time, in the first floor, Melvin, Nirupama and Vishnupriya were playing football and cricket and all these things. And Ashik Patteri, you are staying on the first floor of Ashik Patteri. Ashik Patteri says, what are they doing? Making all the time sounds. What is this? What is this? Clear now. In this way, Mrs. Hall went upstairs and asked her, my dear Griffin, what are you doing there the whole time? What do you do with the chairs? She asked, you see, what you have been doing with the chairs here, I can't sit down. Always this cracking sound and all these things. She demanded, and I want to know how it is you came out of empty room and you have entered a locked room. Underline. And I want to know, please, tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Otherwise, I will break your leg. How can you enter the locked room? And how can you come out of the room? Locked room. What magic you have? Because whenever Mrs. Hall sees, he would be in dress. And he told that in an accident, my face is lost, isn't it? So she asked, how can you get out of a locked room? How can you enter a locked room? The scientist was always quick-tempered, hot-tempered. I told you, get out of the room. I came here for loneliness. I came here to have loneliness. Solitary life I prefer. He is hot-tempered. Now he became furious, very angry. He became very angry. You don't understand. Who am I? He said, Mr. Lady, I'm sorry, Mrs. Lady, Mrs. Hall, you don't understand who am I. You don't understand what am I. I am a scientist. I can make me invisible. I am Griffin. I am a scientist. I can make me invisible. What do you understand about me? In her fury, she said, and you came here to investigate, isn't it? Very well, I will show you. I will show you who am I. I will show you what am I. Suddenly, he threw off bandage, that is his behavior. Whenever he becomes angry, what he will do? He will throw the dress. When you are a child, Ashik, when you are a child, what you are doing? When he was 2-year-old, 3-year-old, when mummy beats him, what he does? He will remove his shirt and throw it to mummy's face, isn't it, Ashik? The same thing here Griffin did. When he became angry, what did he do? He removed his dress. He started from one corner to the other corner, one end to the other end. He removed his bandages. He removed his bandages. Then he removed the whiskers. Then he removed his Karunanidhi spectacles, black spectacles, glasses, and even the rubber nose also. So what happened? From shoulder to up, nothing is there. A headless man. Clear now? Clear now? He removed the bandages, he removed the whiskers, he removed the nose, he removed the spectacles. It took him only a minute to do this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Within seconds, he removed each one. The horrified, underline, suddenly he threw off, took away. Threw off means took away. Took away bandages, whiskers, spectacles, and even nose. It took him only a minute to do this. The horrified people in the bar found themselves staring at a headless man. The people around him in the bar here, it is not our bar, Kerala bar. No. It is not a Kerala bar. It is in. Here bar means in. I-double-N. In. In is a hotel. In is a lodge. In is a restaurant where you have accommodation and food. Resort. In the modern language is resorts. If you go to Cherai, if you go to Adrapalli, there will be resorts. If you go to Vagaman, tourist centers, you will have resorts. You will get the food there, you will have your accommodation. That is bar here. The bar is written because it is cold country, European country, there drinking wine is a common thing. As we drink here water, they drink wine. Okay. So that is why the term bar is given to that. But it is particularly in. I-N-N. I-double-N. So the people became afraid, horrified, wondered. Headless man. Mr. Jaffers, underline the constable. The police officer's name was Jaffers. Mr. Jaffers, the constable, now arrived. The police officer came and was quite surprised to find that he had to arrest a man without a head. Underline, he had to arrest a man without a head. How can he arrest a man without a head? Adile, how can we arrest a man without, suppose you are the police officer, Mr. Jaffers, Mr. Jaffers Adil Muhammad, okay. Jaffers Adil Muhammad, the police officer, constable. How can you arrest a man without the head? Because with the head, then only you will be able to recognize a person. Am I right? If the head is not there, how can you say that this is Griffin? When the police officer came, there was a man without head. But Jaffers was not easily prevented from doing his duty. Jaffers, nobody could stop Jaffers. Nobody could stop Jaffers because, you see, the reason, if a magistrate's warrant ordered a person's arrest, then that person had to be arrested with or without his head. If a magistrate's warrant is produced, who is magistrate? Magistrate is the judge of a court. Magistrate is the judge of a court. If the judge produced a warrant, what is warrant? Warrant is the order to arrest a person. Warrant is the order of a judge to arrest a person. That is what is called warrant. Warrant. So, if a magistrate's warrant ordered a person's arrest, that person must be arrested, whether he has head or not. That is not the problem. He must be arrested. There followed a remarkable scene, a strange scene, an interesting scene. Lolita, Johan, Aman Shakir, Nisia, Hadidi, Savio, Badra, Fia, and Mary, Surya Krishnadas. I understand in these places there is no problem of connectivity. I know your places. At home, you have very good high-speed Wi-Fi. I know. And even Jio, Airtel, Idea, Vodafone, all the four mobile has very good connectivity there. Then my question, why are you sitting without the head like a griffin? This is a disrespect towards these my friends who are sitting here with the video. In this, there are certain people, never they come to, in the beginning they show the head. They think that in between class, Joshi sir is not looking us. So showing the head for 2 minutes, in Hindi it is told, gayab ho jata hai. Missing, found missing. Fia, Savio, Lolita, Emil, Shakir Babu, Hadidi. Arey bhai, open it. Let us see your face also. Sometimes they might not have combed that hair. That's a problem. and we give 2 minutes to come with a handsome face. They might not have combed it, and they have, Joseph has told, the single pony is needed. Don't use open hair. So they are very good. They are very good. They want to put a clip on their face hair. Oh, if I go with open hair, Joseph sir won't like it. So we have to make a single pony. Boys are thinking that I could not go to the barber shop and cut the hair. So to comb the hair in a beautiful way, proper way. I can understand that. Still, after doing that, open the video. Okay. Let me see. If anything is missing, I will tell you. Suppose girls or boys, if the combing is not proper, I can tell you. You comb like this, so your hair will be beautiful, or you will be handsome. And still, if you are not opening the video, I would say it is disobedience. Disobedience is not a good nature of my students. You can sit there, no problem. And disobedience. Oh, I don't like it. The first quality of my students is obedience. Obedience. If you are obedient, everything will be added to you. Okay, so here you see, there followed a remarkable scene as the policeman tried to get hold of a man who was becoming more and more invisible as he threw off one garment after another. You see, when the policeman tried to catch Griffin, what did he do? Next, he removed his shirts. Next, pants, then shoes. Slowly, one after another, he was throwing out, and he became invisible. Invisible. As he threw off one garment after another, finally, a shirt flew into the air like the hat. He threw the shirt into the air, and the constable found himself struggling with someone he could not see at all. So constable was in utter trouble. He could not see the man, and he was searching. Some people tried to help him, but found themselves hit by blows that seemed to come from nowhere. Underline. Some people tried to help the constable. Then what happened? The invisible man comes nearby and he gives a kick. When he turns, man is not there. After some time, there comes another kick. The invisible man was giving punches. Adi, it is called a punch, isn't it? One punch. Karate punch. Keeping the middle finger in the proper position, isn't it? Ashik, if I give you in between the nose, what will happen? Ashik will fall down. So Griffin was giving nice punch to each and everyone. All are searching for Griffin, but Griffin is not seen. He was fully invisible. In the end, Jaffers was knocked unconscious. At last, Griffin gave a very good punch on the tip of the nose of Jaffers. Now, Jaffers fell down unconscious as he made a last attempt to hold on to the unseen scientist. There were nervous, excited cries of hold him, hold him. People were crying out, hold him, hold him. But this was easier said Done. Underline. This is easy to say, hold him. But very difficult to do. Some students are there. Some students, suppose, not you people, some other classmates, they got very less mark in mathematics. Very poor mark in mathematics. Or you don't take some other subject. They got very poor mark in English MCQ. Only 12 marks or 13 marks. So when the mark list was published, what happened? Some of them have switched off the video so that I may call the name. Okay. What happened? Mummy asked, what happened? For English, 12 marks. What is this? Joshi sir is not there. Mummy, what you say? It is easy to tell get marks in English. Mummy, you go and write the exam. Let us see whether you will get 12 marks or not. It is easy to say padiki. It is easy to say study. When you sit to study, then you will understand neck is paining, shoulder is paining, kan is paining, eyes are paining. Mummy, you are not studying, isn't it? When you are studying, how much mark you got? 30 mark out of 100. And now you are asking me to study. Easy to say. Very difficult, Nasa. Very difficult to do. Joshi sir always says, come on the stage, open the video. He does not know. I am sitting here from 8:30 onwards. He even kept the class at 1 o'clock. After the lunch, I could not sleep. How can I come and one period I take a rest? Only 4 periods are there out of 12 periods. Very easy to say. Very easy to say. Joshi sir, I was standing there and you speak. We are the people to write. What all things we have to do? Assignments, projects, activity, record, then study, MCQ, CMQ, all these things are there. It is easy to say. Joshi sir does not need to study, isn't it? He has to tell only, write the exam. We are the people to read and study. We are the people to write the projects. We are the people to write the assignments. Easy to say, very difficult to do. Clear now? Don't tell this to me because I have already told you. Clear now? Here you see, people were crying out, hold him. Who can hold? The man is not seen. Very easy to say, hold him, but very difficult to do. Griffin had shaken himself free, and no one knew where to land hands on him. Nobody could touch him. This is the story of the scientist Griffin, the invisible man of H.G. Wells. This is a summary of the novel of H.G. Wells. The real name of the book is Invisible Man. Okay? So here we end the lesson. So by this, term 1 portion is over. Whatever I have taught you, everything will come for term 1. There is no need of portion now. Portion I have completed. By today, portion from the text is over now. The rest of the things I will teach you in the month of October. Writing skills, letters, and all these things I will teach you. So read the book very well. term 1 portion. You see, I have completed September, October now. 3 months before English is over. If anybody has any doubts, if you don't understand, you can tell me. If you don't understand, the people who have attended the classes, all the days they were absent in the class and say, sir, I did not understand, go and study. Attend the class. And if you don't understand, you can tell me. Read the lesson first, all of you. Read the lesson. Don't sit and read the whole lesson within half an hour. No. You see how many hours I have taken to complete one small chapter. You see, suppose if you are reading this lesson, Footprints Without Feet, Anjita, how much time you will take for reading this one? How many hours?
Half an hour.
You text from you, the voice is not coming here. Text, how many hours? Only give the number. 30 minutes, 35 minutes. How many minutes you will take to read this lesson? Aditya, how many minutes you will take? 25 minutes. Anjita needs 25 minutes. Those who complete the earliest time, they will get a prize. How much, Aditya Krishna?
20 minutes.
For her, 25 minutes. You have 24 minutes. How much? How much? Hence you, how many minutes you want?
25.
Tell me, price is there. Price is there. Chocobar is there. Chocobar. How many minutes you want? Hence you, how many minutes you want?
25.
To read this lesson.
25.
Text it.
25.
Anchita 25 minutes. Oh, it is time. You see, read one paragraph, think my class, remember my class, then go to next paragraph. Okay, in this way you have to go. Anyway, the lesson is over. The next lesson we will see. Okay, thank you. I will send you questions.
Thank you, sir.